You can take a girl out of Africa, but you can never take Africa and Ghana out of her. It is not margarine, guys. It is beans. Yes, beans. Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nana Abena. You can call me Abena Cooks. And welcome to another recipe with me. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're an OG, mwah. Let's get right into today's video. We are all used to the dark type of Koose, but this type of Koose I had the privilege of enjoying once a while growing up, and then I got to experience it in Takrady and I fell in love with it all over again. So I decided to recreate it even though I am far away from home. So in a bowl, a bigger bowl, you're gonna have to soak your beans overnight. I tried to do this for about 6 hours. It did not work because beans were not properly activated. So what I'm gonna do is you need to take out the bad parts out of it. I set a timer so I could time myself, but the bean said, no way, Abena, you're gonna have to wait some more. So I had to leave it overnight and then try to get the cover off, like the surrounding part off. You do not need the black part of it, the part that actually brings out the beans itself. You do not need it. So for this recipe, you just need a whitish part, and this is where the hard work is. So you're gonna need some time and patience if you actually want to get through with this recipe, but it is actually worth it. So here I was trying to get it off, and this is actually hard. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard, but when I was enjoying it, I did not remember the much hard work I had to put into it. So I had to repeat this process for about 4 times to be able to get everything out and get the whitish part like I wanted. So you need a sieve, you need more of, weight to be able to get this done with. So with time it was coming together, but my beans wasn't enough, so I had to do it again, restart it, and then I had a bit of help. So all you need is some eggs, Scotch bonnet, onion, and then your black-eyed beans. I don't know for any other alternative beans because I do not use any other beans apart from black-eyed beans. It is just convenient and right for me when I'm making wache or anything that needs beans. So this is what I'm talking about. So this was the process of getting everything out to finish my koose. Yeah. Also, I will be adding some spring onion and some extra small diced onions into my mixture to give it some flavor when it's done and I'm ready to fry. So I'm putting it in water to activate it to get it to be plumpy and juicy. You can do it especially when you're trying to fry egg. You can leave your onions in water for it to soak up and become plump. So what we're going to do is we're going to blend it together. I had to do it in 2 batches because it was a lot and I was going to serve my friends as well, so I had to do it in batches. So you're going to put enough in your blender. You add your pepper according to how much you want pepper, then some onions, and then you blend it all together. I will show you the consistency we were after once the blending is done. You're gonna add some water, enough to help it, but not too much to make it watery as well. So guys, look at this consistency. This is exactly what we want because we'll be whisking to allow some air spaces in there. So this consistency is just enough because the water was enough to blend it and also to make it into the texture that we want our koose to be in. So I'm going to go ahead and blend the second batch all together and then we'll be back to mix. This is where the magic comes in. So I'm going to put all of them together and then a touch of Ghana. I'm going to add my egg inside. Trust me guys, it makes the koose so nice. I wanted the crunchy type. So the first one I fried was going to look like the regular koose, but not with the black stuff inside. That's the black part of the beans inside. And then I'm gonna make the crunchy side type that I wanted. So you're gonna whisk it to give it enough space, just like you would whisk an egg to, allow for a lot of air spaces in there. So here, this is what you need the consistency to be. You see the bubbles in there, it proves that there are enough airspace. So I'm gonna add in my eggs and then whisk that one together. But this you don't need to do it a lot or whisk it too much because there are already enough air spaces and egg is already, has a lot of air already. So just this to just put everything together is right about enough. And then you're gonna add some salt. Mind you, be careful when you're adding some salt because beans is very tricky with salt, so you do not want to disgrace yourself. So I'm going to add in my spring onion and then my diced onions for flavor and, for sugar reasons. So, yes, guys, I hope you have already subscribed and you're trying this, even though I know it's going to be tough. But that is how food is. You need to enjoy making it and make every process count. Listen to some music while you're at it, and you wouldn't even feel a thing. Please do subscribe if you haven't and share with your friends and family. Mind you, this you do not want to do a lot of deep frying and it shouldn't be too shallow either because of the air spaces. When you drop your kose in, it's supposed to float. It's not supposed to sink just like that. And you want to fry this on medium heat. Make sure your oil is warm enough so that the frying is very, very effective. So this is how it's supposed to float on your oil. And all you gotta do is to wait and turn it until it's golden brown or according to how you want it, but definitely golden brown because that is how you know that your kosi is ready. How do you like to eat your kosi? Are you going to pair it with some Hausa kuku? I just know that that is the perfect combination for your kosi. Trust me, it's the best combination in the world. What about you, my Nigeria fam? How do you like to take your akara? Let me know in the comment section. Fun fact, this frying takes a lot of oil. So you definitely want to watch it so that you're able to turn it fast or your oil is going to be soaked up. There's also another method of baking. So yes, you can bake your kosi or your akara. I'm gonna try that and let you guys know. Personally, I haven't tried that before. I haven't baked kosi before. So I'm gonna try it and then give you guys feedback. But for now, all I know is frying. You can actually tell that the oil is already finishing even before I finish. So this is where I'm trying the crunchy way. Here I added an extra egg because of course, if not, why not? Yes, I like my things sweet and proteiny, As my roommates will say, we're trying to begin the back. I don't know where that came from. Anyway, I sure hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. My name remains Nana Abena. You can call me Abena Cooks. And you can follow me on social media at Abena underscore Asim underscore GH. Or you can check out Abena Cooks on Instagram Canada, and you would find my page right there. I'm yet to put up content as well. So this is what we want. And yes, the perfect combination that you didn't see coming. Wondering how I got Hausa Cocoa in Canada? Yes, I am enjoying Hausa Cocoa with Koose in Canada. So you in Ghana, you have no excuse to not make this for yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my recipe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Stay safe. Love you, but God loves you more.